morning, everyone, and I welcome you all for Maxbyte's Industry X.0 Conclave 2024. Today, we stand at a pivotal moment. The landscape of manufacturing is transforming and driven by the relentless tide of innovation. The era of intelligent and sustainable manufacturing is now happening. So for decades, manufacturing has been the backbone of the global economy, driving progress and prosperity. But the world is changing. The competition is fiercer, margins are tighter, and customer demands are evolving faster than ever. That's where Maxbyte comes in. We are thrilled to unveil our revolutionary new releases in our products and services offering, like byteFACTORY, a SaaS-based Industry 4.0 suite of apps, MARC, an industrial autonomous vehicle technology platform, the Factory Science, a learning and innovation platform, and last but not the least, a value-based end-to-end solution for real return on investment in Industry 4.0. These groundbreaking solutions are designed to empower manufacturers to embrace the future of industrial intelligent product lifecycle. And in the same way, we have designed the agenda for today with 7 sessions and speakers. Like in the Future of Factory session, we share you the structured transformation, assessment, and roadmap. In the Digital Factory session, we demonstrate our new self-service Industry 4.0 apps, marketplace, and value-based Industry 4.0 ROE solution. In Intelligent Factory session, we demonstrate the new AI-based platform for manufacturing. In Connected Factory session, we explain how Etisalat 5G connectivity helps in faster and secured big data analytics. In Skilled Factory session, know more about the 2024 training calendar and innovation programs, online learning, use case catalogs, and career opportunities. In Sustainable Factory session, we demonstrate our digital solution for net zero transition. And at the last Autonomous Factory session, we demonstrate our intelligent automation systems using AMR. I'm sure you will experience and enjoy the cutting-edge tech show, next-generation technology launches, smart manufacturing case studies, hands-on experience at the demonstration area, Industry 4.0 toolkit and a book, and of course, networking lunch-on with your peers today. The future of manufacturing is connected, intelligent, and data-driven. With Maxbyte's integrated digital, robotics, sustainability, and learning solutions, you can be at the forefront of the revolution. Let's transform the way we manufacture together. Thank you.